Welcome to AI Compu classes, and today in this video we are gonna check the number is prime or not in Python. Okay, so before writing any code we have to make an algorithm or flowchart. So in this problem or code we will check prime number. So we have studied that 2, 3, 7, 13, these all are prime number. So how will we check mathematically? There will be some mathematical formula or there will be some mathematical equation, something na, that uh, we can say that this is a prime number or not. Okay, so the basic formula is that if we divide the number, first of all the number greater than less than 0, less than 1 are not prime numbers. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers, as we all know. Okay, so first the number should be less than 1, and sorry, the number should be greater than 1, not less than 1. The number should be greater than 1. If a number is greater than 1, and if we divide the number from a range 2 to the number minus 1, means if you will enter an value 7 and you will check the number, you will divide the number from 2 to 6, and you will see in between these the number divided by the range, and it gives the remainder 0. If it gives remainder 0, then it is not an prime number. If it not gives 0, then it is a prime number. Okay, so this is the basic approach of writing the code. Okay, so this approach we will follow and write in code. Okay, so let's get started. Search Python ideally and click on it, new file and full screen for better view. First save the file, as I always say, save it first. Okay, so it's in prime number code, so I will just write prime number and save it. Okay, save it. After saving the file, first I have to take an input from users. Okay, so I will just write num as a variable for number equals to int for integer value, and first bracket open, input, enter the number. So this will take the value from the user which they has inputted. And next, if and condition loop. Okay, if num means number is greater than 1, if the number is greater than 1, then the loop will execute. Okay, so you know na, 0 and 1 are not prime number, so the number should be greater than 1. Okay, for I in range, we will take in range from 2 to num. Okay, to number which they have entered. Okay, we have taken in range. After taking the range, we will write if num means if we divide the number by range, the remainder should not be 0. So if we divide num by the range I and it gives the remainder 0, then print number is not a prime number. Na, that only na, if you divide a number from range 2 to the number you have inputted, and if it gives remainder 0, then it's not a prime number. Okay, so it is not a prime number. I will just break this. If this condition doesn't satisfied, then the loop will break and it will jump to here else part, else print number is a prime number, and please follow this alignment. Okay, see, inside if loop I have written for then inside for if. Okay, you have to follow this, otherwise code will shows not run, so code will not run, and it will show error. So please follow this alignment. And after this I will close the bracket. Again I will write an else, print number is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. Please follow this quotation marks. Okay, the quotation marks, inside quotation mark the text we have entered, it will print on the output part. So please don't forget this, otherwise code will show error. So I will just run the code and see the code run successfully, and I will here enter in value 2. See, 2 is a prime number. Okay, another example, let's take in value 7. Okay, enter 7. C is a prime number. Again I will take an example, let's take an example of 12. See, 12 is not a prime number. Okay, again I will take an example 13. See, 13 is a prime number, means it is showing right result. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask in the comment section. I will reply, and you can also suggest the next topic you want video on. And once again, thanks for watching.